Hello, welcome to the course of Claretian Reference of Youth Vocation Minitry. My name is Bruno La Hoz, and I'm Claretian Lay, and I will accompany you in the academic coordination. Let's see the tutorial step by step so you don't miss anything of our course.
First, I will receive an email in my inbox. I only have to click on Join. So, let's take a look at one of the classrooms where I am the student. This is a student view. As you can see, right here is a stream. The big section is all the different posts and big items that are coming up in the classroom. This is like a Facebook feed. I will be able to see a tutor announcement. The top box in the top corner shows what work is due soon, the next upcoming assignment. Now I can see a 3-bar at the top. The classwork tab shows all the classwork that has been assigned to the students. I will be able to post my answer in the forum. First, look at the work section and click on View Question to see the instructions. Next, I have to write my answer in the corner right and click on Turn In. I will be able to post my answer in the activity, for example, an essay. First, look at the work section and click on Add or Create button. Upload a work and after, click on Turn In. Now, this is done. I can send a private comment to my tutor explaining my work. The next assignment, of course, is the quiz. For this activity, I have to click on View Assignment. And now, I can answer questions on the form. Remember, it's a multiple choice test, and it has 5 questions about the model.
Well, now that you know step by step what you have to do, remember to take note of the important dates in which you have to turn in your work so you don't miss out anything. Take note of the name of your tutor and his or her email so you can communicate with him or her if you have any questions. Welcome to our course.